Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dean. If this is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, all of that. So today I have a really quick video. I don't know if I'm going to make it one or two videos. It's a quick unboxing from a company called Rituals, and it's just a few things that were sent to me, and I just wanted to go ahead and unbox it with you guys, and then I'll be doing a review. So if that's something that interests you, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so I just got the package in the mail, and I kind of know what it is, but I haven't opened it. I just opened the priority box here, but the actual box and product is inside. So we're gonna go ahead and open it with you guys. So that came off. So yeah, this little sleeve was just on it, that just came off, and it is like wrapped. So I haven't opened it or anything, and like I said, it's from the company called Rituals. It just looks like that. Really nice packaging. So I've been wanting to try their products for a while now, but I don't know, I just haven't gotten around to it. So I'm really happy that they sent this to me to review. So yeah, I'm just gonna try it. Make sure you guys see it. So yeah, so it just comes, and these are all the products here. So I have a hand wash here. So I'm not gonna smell that right now because I don't know. But and here is a rejuvenating pink salt scrub. Looks like that, and you get 4.4 ounces. And I do want to smell this. So it smells really fresh. So it's just a little salt scrub here, and can't wait to try that. And you also get a balancing body cream. Looks like that. And in here you get 2.3 ounces. And that smells good. It's all the same, so it all pretty much smells, you know, the same, but yeah. So this is called the Harmonizing Foaming Shower Gel, and it's Indian rose and sweet almond oil. So it looks like that, and it's an actual foam. I'm not gonna do it now, but it's an actual like mousse foam, I guess you can say. So it comes out like that. So yeah, so that's everything. I'm just gonna a little close up here. So that's how everything looks, and it is a little gift set that they're releasing for the holidays. So if you would like to purchase this, then I'll go ahead and leave the links and information where you can get it down in the description. So I'm actually just getting home from running errands and stuff, so I'm gonna actually use this stuff right now. And I may give it a few days or so, and I'll come back and give my review on the products, and probably like a little demo or something. So you guys stay tuned for that. It'll probably be the second half of this video. So I've been testing out the products for a while, and I just wanted to come back. Okay, so as I've said before, I did receive these products for free from a company called Rituals. I'll go ahead and link the website and information down below in the description if you're interested in the products. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So I put everything back in the box, so it basically came like this, and I took the wrapping part and everything out. So yeah, so this is how it came packaged, like that. And starting off, my favorite product in here would have to be the Rejuvenating Pink Salt Scrub. It looks like that, and it's very hard in consistency. Like, it's not runny or anything. Like, if you tried any other scrubs from like Tea Tree, their scrub is like more runny, like watery. It's really like solid, and a little of it goes a long way. It smells amazing, so that would be my favorite product. Runner up would be the Harmonizing Foaming Shower Gel, and these are all, I don't know if I mentioned, these are all in the scent Indian Rose and Sweet Almond Oil. So it just looks like that, and it comes out like that. I have my fan on, and it just kind of foams up. So yeah, a little of that goes a long way too, and it smells really clean, really luxurious, all of that. And I mean, the next two products is pretty much a tie. I don't like one more than the other or whatever, but they're both really good. Everything smells like really good. It's fragrance, but it's not like overpowering. It's kind of like if you've ever tried like aromatherapy, like it's a concentrated smell, but it's not like perfumey. So then I have the lotion here, and it just has a regular lotion consistency. So yeah, I really like that. It's moisturizing. It does what lotion is supposed to do. It smells good, and it looks like that. And the next thing is the a moment of hand wash. So it's really big size here, and I mean, it's a hand wash. It looks really pretty, like on your vanity in your bathroom. It's, you know, it looks expensive. So all of that, and surprisingly, the retail price of all of this is only like between $35 and $40, which is not bad considering you get all of this. So yeah, like I said before when I was unboxing it, I've been wanting to try their products for a while, and I just never got around to it. For some reason I thought it was way more expensive than it is, but now that I know that it's very affordable, I already ordered a few to give as gifts for Christmas. So yeah, that is my review on the Rituals and this. Let me find the exact name of this gift set. Okay, so yeah, so this is the exact name. I cannot pronounce that, but that is what it looks like. This is the sleeve that came on the actual gift box. But yeah, this is the set that I got, and I just want to go ahead and thank Rituals for sending this my way. I really appreciate it. I really love the products, and go ahead and check the description and order yours today. Thank you for watching.